How's everybody doing? I'm doing a addendum to my master cylinder, clutch master cylinder replacement. Just want to make sure everybody's aware. Inside the hood on the driver's side is where the reservoir is. This is both for the brake and the clutch. Pull off the top here. This section here, from what I experienced, is divided. This section here is the clutch fluid. This section here is the brake fluid. So this was continually going down because I had that leak. So be aware of that. So this is where you're going to keep an eye on when you're bleeding it, where you're replacing it, where you're refilling it or whatnot. This side here is for your clutch. Now I also mentioned that hose that goes into the master cylinder. You can see here, it's going into the firewall. Now on the other side, it's a similar size hose. That's where I recommend that you disconnect the clamp, and you want to be prepared to mitigate the fluid that's going to run all over the place. I'll go on the inside and see if you can see what I'm talking about, and then I'll be done with this this little tutorial. I hope this has been helpful. It was quite a learning experience for me, and I'm glad. And I just drove 200 plus miles after replacing it, so from San Antonio back to Houston, so no problems. But anyways, hope this is informative. God bless.